My friends, welcome to another episode of What Could It Be Now? We're going to find out what it could be. This is Nicholas Villars here, one half of the synth pop duo known as Superdivorce. I'm here with my helper, my young son, Lazarus. Could I please have today's package to open?
Yes, but there's a package inside of a package.
There's a package inside of a package, he says. This comes from Amazon Prime. I don't know what it could be, but I'm going to find out just now. I'm going to use this easy tear perforation here. What have we got? I'm just going to turn it over. I'm going to lift it up and we will reveal what was in this package, what it could be. What could it be now? Oh, look at that! It is the NES Classic controller that I ordered a while back when pre-orders went up. I totally, I thought about this recently. I was like, I wonder when this is going to get here. And it arrived now. So there it is. That's what it could be now today. It is the NES Classic controller. I needed an extra one because with the NES Classic, if you have one of these, you'll know they only shipped with one. And it's been very tough to track down an actual Nintendo version. They've got some wireless ones and some third parties. Those are kind of sketchy. I waited, saw that these went on sale on Amazon, and here it is. It's arrived safe and sound today, and that's what it could be now. And until the next episode, please look forward to the next package, and take real good care. Bye-bye. My friends, we are Superdivorce, a synth pop duo with a full-length album called Action Figures. You can listen to it on many streaming platforms, including Spotify, where you can follow us and keep up to date with all of our tunes. If you like what you hear, why not pick up a copy of Action Figures on CD, cassette tape, or vinyl record at superdivorceme.com and grab a Superdivorce Rules t-shirt while you're there too. And hey, while you're here, please make sure that you've liked this video, sub to our channel, and bong the gong for notifications. We go live here every single day, so don't miss out on your chance to join us in real time for chats and the latest in pop culture news. We have a fantastic community, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. On top of daily vids and some rad tunes, we also produce a weekly podcast called the Superdivorce Supercast with new episodes every Friday, as well as a comic book review show called Super Fanatics, a horror movie review show called Super Scary, some video game streaming, and a Star Wars review called Sequential Star Wars, in which I, Nicholas, and my good brother Andrew review the Star Wars films and TV shows in sequential chronological order. And with the shilling complete, please look forward to another video here on the official YouTube channel of Superdivorce.
We gonna go viral with this one.